Iron.
I need to iron my shirt before the meeting.
Take out the dustbin.
Can you take out the dustbin, please?
Clean the windows.
I clean the windows every Saturday.
Do the shopping.
I usually do the shopping on weekends.
Feed pets.
Don't forget to feed the pets before you leave.
Walk the dog.
I walk the dog every morning.
Cook the dinner.
I always cook the dinner for the family.
Set the table.
Can you set the table for dinner?
Grocery shop.
We need to grocery shop for the week.
Wash the car.
I wash the car every Sunday.
Dust the furniture.
I dust the furniture once a week.
Water plants.
I water the plants every morning.
Rake leaves.
I rake the leaves in the fall.
Mow the lawn.
I mow the lawn every weekend.
Paint the fence.
I paint the fence last summer.
Weed the garden.
I weed the garden regularly.
Prune the bushes.
I prune the bushes every spring.
Plant flowers.
I plant flowers in the garden.
Trim the hedges.
I trim the hedges every month.
Fertilize the soil.
I fertilize the soil in the spring.
Harvest vegetables.
I harvest the vegetables.
Compost organic waste.
I compost organic waste in the garden.